Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to make a follow-up video about this laptop to tell you that why I'm not keeping this laptop. And no, it has nothing to do with the price. I got the approval for my wife to buy any laptop I want. I am not keeping this laptop for two main reasons. First is the display. In my opinion, the display really looks washed out. Like it has a very bad viewing angle and it doesn't look sharp. The screen size, which is a 17-inch, would have been perfect for this, for using as work, for work. But unfortunately, with that issues, it's just hard for me to use it for work. Now, if you're thinking to buy this just like me to use it for work and second is for gaming, then I would suggest to look for another laptop. I would just suggest this laptop if you're uh, if you use it for gaming. This laptop is really good for gaming. The screen has a 1080p 144 hertz. It's really fast. I would recommend only to people who only use it for gaming. The second reason is the keyboard. The keyboard has a terrible layout. Um, I forgot to mention on my other video that this keyboard has a bad placement of the arrow up key, which is located right next to the shift key. So after a while, I get used to it. But at first, I really thought I'm gonna return the laptop right away because of the arrow up key, and then not to mention the spacing of these row, the keys in this row. So it really throws you off when you're typing. So those are the two main reasons why I'm not keeping this laptop. Now, if you do decide to buy this laptop for gaming because you wanna just use it for gaming, I have a suggestion that to keep this power brick away from clutters because it does really get really hot. So put it somewhere well ventilated and then away from clutters. I'll show you how hot it is in a moment. So under normal use, when you're just browsing or the computer doesn't is not doing anything, so the temperature is actually just about 87 or 90. So I'm playing about 30 minutes more on Battlefield 4. So the power brick actually got hot, like 100. It went up to 141 degrees Fahrenheit. So that thing can get really hot. So just be aware that it's gonna need ventilation. So put it somewhere that it can cool. It won't go so hot. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one.